You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
As thin and as powerful we may want our smartphones to be, we are mostly held back by one of its most rigid and most volatile components, the battery. Battery technology has barely moved forward in the past years, leaving manufacturers and engineers to design around it, from trying to improve power efficiency to make charging faster. The latter is what OnePlus is aiming for in the next iteration of its Warp Charge tech, promising to give the OnePlus 8T more than enough juice in just 15 minutes. 65-watt charging may sound almost mediocre if you've heard about the 100-watt and 125-watt charging that was announced by Xiaomi, Oppo, and their ilk just a few months ago. OnePlus, however, is thankfully taking a more sensible and cautious approach that won't sacrifice battery stability and safety for sensational numbers. And even at just 65-watt, it's already more than twice the jump from the current Warp Charge 30T. The way OnePlus will pull this off isn't actually new. It splits the OnePlus 8T's large 4500 mAh battery into two, but delivers the same 10V 6.5A power to each, making it charge faster. It will be enough to give the phone 58% charge in just 15 minutes and a full charge in 39 minutes. This technology unsurprisingly sounds similar to distant relative Oppo's 65-watt SuperVOOC, though the numbers they give out aren't similar. In an interview with MAG, CEO Pete Lau does reveal one potentially disappointing feature of the OnePlus 8T. Or rather the lack of that feature. Like the OnePlus 8 earlier this year, this phone will not have wireless charging, supposedly to keep it thin. That leaves room for a OnePlus 8T Pro with wireless charging, though there are doubts that one even exists. OnePlus promises the utmost security and safety of this super fast charging, thanks to sensors, charging circuits, and other protection mechanisms that will keep your phone or charger from blowing up. That, of course, requires that you are using OnePlus's proprietary cable and new charger, though the company says it might be the only charger you'll ever need for anything anyway. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.